from around the globe.
Updates from the Ateneo's premier investment organization.
My name is Chamberlain.
And I am Toni Abacan.
And this
is Bullseye.
So welcome back to Bullseye. So to start things off, we're going to run you through all of the events that MECO put on in the last month of July.
Okay, so the first event we're going to talk about is CFA. Last July 6th, MECO, together with other student investment organizations, partnered with CFA Society Philippines as it held its first Philippine Junior Finance and Investment Summit. The event gathered more than 5,000 students and young professionals as they oriented themselves in their careers in the financial industry. Okay, on the other hand, last July 19, 22, and 26, MECO had a series of investment and financial talks entitled Invest. Different students from the Ateneo gathered and listened to Mr. Aya Laraya, Ms. Estelle Osorio, and Mr. Jose Antonio Aranaz as they each talked about the what, the why, and the how of investing.
Alright, so and on July 20, 2013, MECO had its first General Assembly held at the Ayala Hillside Clubhouse. Now the new members got to meet their fellow batchmates and the batches other than their own too. GA1 saw good McColony attendance, which may have made it a very good pivotal point for the ongoing McColony Cup competitions throughout the year. Alright, and lastly, MECO Pride Week was held last August 5 to 8, 2013, very recently. All the MECO members were able to participate and bond together through the numerous events such as Minute to Win It, Investment Quiz Bee, and Capture the Flag, all held alongside the expansive exhibit provided to us by Summit Media for the magazines Cosmopolitan and Men's Health.
And all of these events were made possible by the following sponsors.
Alright, now don't go anywhere for the next segment. Please stay with us while we deliver to you your fix of investment news through Panorama. Alright, so on the last day of the Invest Talk series, July 26, I believe you were able to interview one of our special speakers, weren't you?
Yeah, I was. I was able to interview Mr. Jose Aranaz. So take a look at this. Okay, so we're here with Sir Aranaz. We just finished our Invest Talk and I'm here to ask him a few questions. So sir, my first question is, what is your outlook on the Philippine financial markets for the remaining months of 2013?
Okay, that's a good question. Right now the market's in a transition. It's either the market starts making a U-turn, it starts going down, or if it finds good support and good demand, we should start retesting the high of this year, which is the 7,000 level. Now it looks interesting, but you know, I hate doing forecasts because at the end of the day, trading is not about being right or wrong. It's really more about risk management. Okay, so there, you know, you can go up or go down. There's no certainties in trading.
Alright.
Okay, so that.
Will Moody's credit rating upgrade have a significant role in this?
Well, it will help. But then you're putting fundamental data here, the fundamental factors. We already had 2, this should be our third, where we will become investment grade. So we are already. So definitely it will attract more hot money, hopefully, which is what we are in need now. Okay, so at the end of the day, if the market reflects this added value, it will be reflected in price. That's why I said technical analysis is really all about market acceptance. Okay, if the price is right and is accepted by the market, then it will be reflected in price. Okay?
So thank you, sir. And that's all the time we have to.
Alright, so that was some very valuable information and insight provided to us by Mr. Aranaz. So for this next segment, we're going to interview another very important person to the MECO community.
So stay tuned for In Focus.
Alright, so we're joined with the Vice President for the Community Development Department, Mr. Eric Vasquez. Thank you for being here today. Alright. So we just want to talk to you about the upcoming events that are important
is our yearly workshop for kids. In Save Campaign, we teach them obviously how to save, the value of saving, and being financially responsible. So,
Okay, so for all of our MECO members watching Bullseye today, is there anything that you would like to tell them?
yes, of course. Hey Meconisas, I would like to invite you all to Save Campaign, and our first workshop is happening this Saturday, August 17, and with further insertions on the 24th and on the 31st. I hope I'll see you there.
Alright, so thanks again, Derek, for coming. It was very informative for everyone about the content projects. Now for the next segment,
Fast forward.
Alright, so let's look forward now for this last segment. We've got a few projects that we want you to take note of in the coming months.
Okay, so we're now inviting you guys to join collegiate investors and to attend the investment fair coming up real soon.
Well, unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. So again, my name is Jason Chamberlain.
And I'm Toni Abacan, and this